at my side.
Me too. I forgot. We some bozos. Woo! No petroleum. Well guys, it looks like it's about to rain. Hopefully it doesn't rain too bad. But if it does, well guys, I don't know what to say, man. If it rains too bad, you guys gonna be mad at me? Please don't be mad at you. Alright, y'all. Great day, wonderful day. Hey, you can't turn that way. Back. Alright, got my phone on the charge. Y'all, how y'all doing, man? I missed y'all. Did y'all miss me? Say it. Tell me, we missed you, Tess. Comment down below right now, bro. Nah, I'm just playing. Y'all ain't gotta say all that. Oh my goodness. Them burbles burbling. Oh man. Oh, I was supposed to get all the way in the left lane. It's okay though. I drive an M5. Of course I can get over to the left lane, bro. No issue. No issue at all. As soon as the light turn green. Ready? Set. Told y'all. Oh, that was scary. That's how you merge on the highway. It's always that one person that want to sit in the lane and just do it. Bro. These boy, hell boy. I'll take it. I ain't tripping on it. Bro, how have y'all been though, for real? I know. Another crack screen POV. What the fuck? Fuck. We literally just fucking got on the highway. What a way to start a POV. Well, y'all, I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened, y'all. It was just we were driving and that's it. Oh my goodness. Hey, that's crazy because I am a driver. Like, actually. Whew. That's crazy. Well, guys, hello. I hope you are having a good day. I hope you all guys are having a nice day. I have no fuel now. What? Flags over Georgia? I thought it was only like 6 flags over Georgia. Chavez wedding ceremony? Shoot. Oh, fuck. What the fuck? Alright. We just got cooked. We just got cooked. Bro, what? I just cooked us. Hey, I got it now though. Yo, look, this is Lake Lanier. I don't know if y'all know much about Lake Lanier, but apparently there's a whole town and graves and all that stuff up under there. How true that is, I don't know. I also don't want to find out. So I don't go to Lake Lanier. Like, I'll drive around it, obviously, but I will not get inside of Lake Lanier water. Just my personal preference, honestly. Everybody can do what they want to do, but me, won't be me. But we buy all the money. Oh my, look, y'all see the boats, boy. We buy that money, boy. Y'all see the little Range, the Audi, the Benz. We buy that money on. Whew. Got boats and RVs in their yard. Okay. Okay, big money. One day. I'm trolling. I don't really care for a boat, bro. Do y'all like boats? I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm about to share a fear with y'all, bro, that I probably shouldn't share. I am scared of deep water, bro. Deep water is scary. I don't care what nobody say, bro. Like, bro, oh, I'm getting scared right now. Imagine jumping in a, why can't I talk? Imagine jumping in like a 12-foot pool, bro. Like, actually imagine that. And touching the bottom. Not just jumping in and floating and doggy paddling on top. Touching the bottom. There's literally people who go down to the bottom of a 12-feet pool, bro. I'm like, if I went down, there ain't no coming up. That's it. I'm down and I'm just down and out. No more. That is it. Oh, man. Oh, dude, there's no way I missed my turn again. Yo, that's what I want, bro. I want a house ducked off like this. I don't want to be in no neighborhood. I want a house ducked off, bro. I feel like a ducked off house is way better than a house that's like in the neighborhood. Like, it's cool to have neighbors and stuff, I guess, for security if like you live alone or something. You know what I'm saying? But I got neighbors that stay with me all the time. Don't worry about that. You know what I'm saying? So, Oh, that thing just sprayed my car and I just got it washed. Dang, twin. Oh, no. Guys, I am so happy to have the M5, bro. I love this car. I promise. Hey, I know y'all probably don't believe me on my windshield getting fixed, but I ain't gonna say no more and speak no more on it. Y'all just have to understand, bro, things actually take time. Like, getting products in and all that stuff, bro, actually take time, bro. So that's really what it is. And also not getting like screwed over on prices, bro. Like, bro, I know it's an M5. I'm gonna pay a lot of money, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not stupid enough to pay like way more than I'm supposed to. You get what I'm saying? Like, and that's just one thing I want to do, bro. A lot of, like, hey, this is a thing that's not talked about for real. If you have a nice car and you pull up somewhere, like, just expect for them to overcharge you. Just like, they're gonna see the car and they're gonna overcharge, bro. That I don't know why they do that. And like, I don't even know how they get away with it. I guess some of y'all be paying it. Me, I'm not going, bro. You're not about to charge me extra because I got a nice car. I worked hard for this car. And you trying to charge extra because I got a nice car, bro. No, bro. I'm not going for that at all. But it is what it is. That's not talked about enough, though. So be prepared, guys, because all y'all gonna have nice cars. Like, all y'all gonna be driving nice cars, bro. Like, it's guaranteed. So just be prepared. Just be prepared when you take your nice car somewhere. They're gonna tax, bro. They're gonna overcharge, and then you find out like, oh, I could have did it, and they're gonna overcharge and not deliver the quality. Now, if you overcharging me and you get delivering a quality product, bro, hey, I can't be too mad at you. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, okay, I understand.